Hey there guys, Ishak from Shaqtech here. Welcome to a beautiful day in Wellington. As you can see, nice sunny day here today. And today you're joining us on a very special occasion. Today we are going to be harvesting our beans, aka in Sri Lankan or Sinhalese, Bonchi. So join us along as we go around and pick these beans. These are our two bean patches here, ready to harvest. So first of all, we're going to be picking the green beans. Oh, look at that nice large green bean here. Good for the heart, good for the eyes, good for everything. And we also have another patch here. These are the yellow beans. We call them the sunny bonchi, the butter bonchi. And here's a butter bonchi. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful. Again, good for the body, good for the eyes, good for the soul, good for everything. And yeah, let's get into picking here. We finished harvesting the beans here. As you can see, we've got the yellow bonchi, the green bonchi, the beans, they're ready to go. Now we're gonna make a nice simple Sri Lankan bean dish that we're just gonna take you along with. The dish is called beans a la thel, called beans thel dala, which means beans with oil on it. So yeah, let's go inside. Step one of our beans thel dala. We're going to be taking the beans. These are fresh off the garden, and we've got to give them a good wash, get all that dirt and grime off. So we just put it in a bowl of water here, and we do that, and let's turn on the water, give them a nice little rinse. And so now we've finished washing it, and then we're just going to take it out of this water, drain it out. Look at that beautiful yellows and greens here. That one. And there we go, we've got the beautifully clean greens here. Now we're going to want to do a nice little chopping of them. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your bean, and then you want to just slice it through the middle. Get an even half there. Look at that, beautiful. And then what you want to do is you want to take each half and make a delicate slice down the middle. So like that. Like that. So you get this nice little slice. And yeah, that one, you got that one there. And then we'll do another one. And then inside you will see the seeds. Yeah, there you go, there's some seeds. And yeah, and then we're just going to do that to all of them, just to get them into a nice bite size and open them up so they can absorb all the flavors from our spices and the oils. So we've finished cutting the beans here. You can see beautifully cut beans here with the splits shown nicely cut in this bowl down here. So now to add the secret spices. So first up, we got chili powder, miris powder. We're going to put a couple of teaspoons of them. So 1 dollop of it, 2 dollops of it. Then what we want to do is grab the turmeric. This is usually adds a nice bit of color to it. So we're just going to add 1 spoon of it. Like that. Bit of yellow. Nice to get some colors in there. Then some pepper. Put 1 of these in there. Oh, it's a very strong smell out of that pepper. Let's grab. There we go. And then we want to put some more chili flakes, a little bit more fire in here. Let's grab 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. That's enough chili powder, chili flakes, I mean, in there. And then we got moldy fish chips. These are dry fish chips, otherwise known as umbalakada. And we're going to be adding a little bit of that. So they kind of look like pieces of wood, but they're dry fish. Just sprinkle it on, like so. And then we're gonna mix it, right? We're gonna mix, you know, get that authentic feel. So just mix the beans. A little bit of salt for some flavor, just a little bit. Put in your hand, and then we want to do the. There we go. And then we want to get the oil, a little bit of canola oil. Put a little bit of sprinkle on it, like that. And again, we want to get in there and mix it up. And there we go, beautiful, ready to go into the pan. And we've got it heating up here in a while. So what we're going to use is some pure coconut oil, fresh from the motherland of Ceylon. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of it into here. 1 and 2. Beautiful. And then just let it drizzle around the pan. Get the pan oiled up and let it settle. Previous cooking videos, the way you know your pan or your cooking plate is ready to go is if you put an onion on there and it sizzles. So let's check, is this ready to cook? No, not yet, not yet. We'll come back to that. The onion is now sizzling in the pan as expected. We're going to be putting in more onions into here. So we're going to chuck in all these onions. And then we got some green chilies to add. And we've got some cardamoms to add. And I'm just going to put all those onions inside. And to top it off, we've got some curry leaves for a little bit of scent and flavor as well. Peppering the pan with the onions, the chilies, the curry leaves. We want to add a little bit of extra spices here, so we got a little bit of mustard seeds, and we've got a bit of fennel as well, and we just a little bit of touch there. Mix it around, brown them up a little bit, caramelize it, get the juices going, and then we'll add the beans. Almost forgot, you want to add some garlic, so we've got some pre-crushed garlic here. And what we're going to do is just grab a spoon of it and dollop it in the middle like that. Beautiful. And you just want to stir it up. So as you can hear the sizzling of the pan, hopefully through the camera. The onions have nicely caramelized a little bit. Everything, all the juices are flowing, and now it's time to add our beans. So we're just going to grab a handful and just chuck it on top. Make sure to take that spice and then sprinkle it over. We don't want to miss anything. Al dente, and then you want to stir it up a little bit. So you can now see what we mean by this is the Bonchi dala, because we've got the coconut oil in the pan and we're just mixing the beans and the spices up with that oil, that beautiful coconut oil, to give it that nice flavor. So then what we're going to do is, once we've mixed it up, let it sit for a while, cook. You'll know when it's ready when the beans are not as hard as they are right now. We've been cooking the beans for a while, let it rest for a while. So as you can see, this is the output here. Beautiful looking beans. The onions have fully caramelized and literally dissolved into the beans here. So now is the moment of truth to taste these beautiful, delicious beans. So let's take one of the yellow ones here. And look at the color. Look at the beautiful color. Look at the texture. Look at that color. So let's give it a taste. This is an honest taste, first time taste. Let's give it a go. Really good. Really good. That's some good bonchi. And as they say in Sri Lanka, they say maru machang. So really awesome stuff there. Really simple dish, as you saw. Simply literally oil, some spices, fresh beans from our garden, and yeah, let us know in the comments if you've made beans like these before, if you want to try this out yourself. Also comment down below Would you like to see us cook anything else on the channel? Any other Sri Lankan dishes? What else do you want to see on the vlog channel? And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and as always, I'm One, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.